Welcome to StudyPix. In this video, we are going to learn the tricks in solving multiplication of any two-digit number in less than 5 seconds. Let's go to the question. The question given here is the multiplication of 53 and 26. This is ones place and this is tens place. Here also this is ones place and this is tens place. The first step we have to do is the multiplication of tens place with another tens place and ones place with another ones place. Here the tens place is 5 and here the tens place is 2, which gives 10. We have to write it as 10, and here the ones place is 3 and here the ones place is 6, which gives 18. We have to write here and gives 1018. And the second step we have to do is the multiplication of tens place with another ones place and the ones place with another tens place, which gives 5 cross 6, which gives 30, and the 3 cross 2, which gives 6. We have to sum it, which gives 36, and we have to write the 36 in tens place and hundreds place. 36, and the sum 7 3, which gives the multiplication of 53 and 26. Let's solve another couple of sums to understand the concept more clearly. The question given here is the multiplication of 14 and 19. The first step we have to do is the multiplication of tens place with another tens place, which is 1 into 1, which gives 1. We have to write the 1 as 0, 1, and the ones place with another ones place, which is 4 into 9, which gives 36. Write the 36 here. And the second step we have to do is the multiplication of tens place with another ones place, which is 1 into 9, which is 9, and the tens place with another ones place, which is 4 into 1, which gives 4. And the summation of these gives 13, and we have to write the 13 in the 100 place and tens place here. So which gives the summation 6, 6, 2. It is the multiplication of 14 and 19. The question given here is the multiplication of 82 and 48. What we have to do? The first step is the multiplication of tens place with another tens place. 8 cross 4, which gives 32, and the multiplication of ones place with another ones place, which is 2 cross 8, which gives 60. We have to write this as 3, 2, 1, 6. And the second step we have to do is the multiplication of tens place with another ones place, which is 8 into 8, which gives 64, and the tens place with another ones place, 2 into 4, which gives 8, and the summation of this gives 2, 7, 72. We have to write this 72 in this place, tens place and hundredth place, and the summation gives 6, 3, 9, 3. It is the multiplication of 82 and 48. Okay, let's solve this sum with somewhat more speed. The question given here is the multiplication of 29 and 77. The first step we have to do is the multiplication of tens place with another tens place, 2 and 7, which gives 14. We have to write this 14 here, and the multiplication of ones place with another ones place, which is 9 to 7, which gives 63, and we have to write the 63 here. And the second step, what we have to do? Multiplication of tens place with another ones place, which is 2 into 7, which gives 14, and the multiplication of tens place with another ones place, which is 9 into 7, which gives 63, and the sum of these gives 77. We have to Write this 77 here, and the sum gives 3, 3, 1, 2, 2. It is the multiplication of 29 and 77. This question somewhat differ from the others. Let's see what's the difference between this question and the others. The question given here is the multiplication of 89 and 84. What we have to do? Multiplication of tens place with another tens place, 8 into 8, which gives 64, and the multiplication of ones place with another ones place, which is 9 into 4, which gives 36. We have to write this as 6436. And what's the second step? We have to multiply the tens place with another ones place, 8 into 4, which gives 32, and the multiplication of tens place with another ones place, 9 into 8, which gives 72, and the sum gives 4 and this 104. Where we have to place this 104? We have to write this as here 104, and the summation gives 6, 7, 4, 7. 7476 is the multiplication of 89 and 84. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to StudyPlix for more and more videos. Thank you.